everyone. We are continuing on with some things about body systems. Today you're going to have two assignments where you're looking at dysfunctional organs. So the different organs of the body won't be working properly. You'll have to figure out which problem goes with which organ, and then what system that organ is part of. So I'll show you what that's going to look like here. I do have it broken into two parts just because it's less confusing. There wasn't as much to show you. So here you have for each question a picture of an organ. Down here you're going to have choices of problems and choices of systems for what body system that organ would be part of. When you're done, you're going to submit. One thing I do want to point out is that some of the systems will be used more than once potentially. So I've set it up so that the answers down here, once you've used an answer, it's not going to disappear. It's going to stay down here. So don't let that throw you off. Okay. So you'll do part 1, and then part 2 is essentially the same thing, a little bit shorter. But again, you have an organ, you have to find the problem and the system. So again, we have problems down here and then the names of the systems. Same thing as part 1. When you use an answer choice, it will not disappear. It will remain down here, just again, because some of the system names are used more than once. So I have to set it up a certain way for you to be able to choose them multiple times. So you'll submit that as well, and then today we have to vote on the projects that you guys completed when you made Instagram accounts. So for this assignment, you're going to use a Google form link. I have a link here for you. I'll show you what that's going to look like in a minute. You're going to complete that form and submit it. And the link right here, you'll be able to see all of the presentations. You're going to be choosing a first, second, and third place, and then telling me why you gave them first, second, and third place. And please do not vote for yourself, so just to kind of be fair and give everybody a chance, because I'll compile all of your responses, and we'll see overall who was first, second, and third out of the whole class. When you are done the Google form, you do need to submit the actual Google form, but then in here, this assignment, you need to come back and use the Create tab. Just type the word done so I know and I can go look at your Google form responses. Let's see. Here is what the Google form will look like. Now your list is going to be a little different because right now I just have all the different project options listed. Since I'm recording this before you guys actually sign up to do the project, I don't know which systems will have 2 people for. So let's say that 2 people did integumentary. I'm going to have integumentary 1 and integumentary 2. They will be labeled when you look in to see the presentation, so you'll know what to pick that way. So again, you'll fill this form out. So you'll pick whichever one you think would deserve first place, and then you'll type a reason why you think that is. Same thing for second place and then third place, along with giving reasons for both of those. And then you'll need to submit your Google form. You do need to click submit here, but then you also need to come back and submit this assignment. Again, use the Create tab and tell me you're done, and then submit it from there. I am excited for everybody to be able to see their classmates' work. If you have questions on anything, so you have these 3 things technically to do today, make sure that all 3 are submitted. If you have questions, let me know, and if not, have a wonderful day.